her down, cause I don't want you to be too overbearing for the people in face. So hi guys, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so for today's video, of course, I am going to be doing a one shadow. Yes, I say one shadow look today. So I'm going to be using the Bebella palette. As I'm going to be using the yellow. Yes, and just create a little thing. Now as you can see, my brows and some are not done yet, so I'm going to just do my brows, finish my eyebrow. So let's get into the shadow. Of course, I'm going to be using my LA Girl fawn. The yellow, and just put it on. Just push it in inside it. I use this brush to just carry it up a little to the brow bone. Yay, yay, yay. Yeah, so this Bebella palette, I know probably me gonna use this, but then me just go with use the Bebella palette. Now for my brow bone, I'm going to be using which shade? This shade here in the I Love You contour palette from LA Girl Colors, of course. The same brush. How much should I use on different brush? Yeah, this one, different brush. Dip into it and just pat it in. So it's like a softening the edge of the yellow. Right, so that is it. That is it for the eyes. I'm going to do this one off camera, and I'm going to be using my Amuse liquid eyeliner to just do my eyes, and then I'm going to put on my lashes and just see me. And we're back again. So yes, so for my foundation, for my moisturizer, I'll be using the Tea Tree moisturizer. For my foundation, I'm gonna be using my Fit Me 355, of course. I say of course like so no say that I love use. Hold on, so I'm gonna put a little some here. I'm gonna be using my LA Girl Pro concealer. This is the one in suede. Yes, suede. Man, if you can't see it, you know, because it's not like I'm using the best recording device. So I'm just using this to highlight my face. Hold on, I'm gonna highlight ears and ears too. But I blend out them here first. Blend, blend, blend. Using my damn beauty blender. I'm gonna be using my black opal, that is the toast in number 3. Yes, in number 3. I'll just put it, hold on, should I use, I'm going to just go like this and put it right here on top of that foundation, on that highlight right underneath my eyes here. Alright, so I'm gonna make that sit there. Then I'm gonna use the foundation brush and just blend between the highlight and where the foundation, and just blend it out. Alright, and for my contour, I'm gonna be using the dark shade, that is mahogany in the LA Girl. Put your face like this. And put it under the jaw. You can put some here as well. I'm taking my 4 brains. Hold on, my nose. I'm gonna use the same beauty blender and just blend it on. The other side and just blend it out. This part of the beauty blender, I'm gonna just put it here. I'm just going to do my my contour. I'm not going to put any more. I'm just going to use whatever is left on the beauty blender, and then just contour the nose. See? Ooh! Who see that? I know just did that magic there. Whatever. Gonna just do that magic there, don't. Alright. see, all of a sudden my nose gets straight. Whatever, you have to sweat, yo. I'm gonna be using my Sasha buttercup. Yes, setting powder to set my face. The same sponge, you know, the same sponge I use. Titter. And press it in. You brush it up, but kind of shake it off like this and just push it in. And just put it right on the highlight area. In part I use the lighter concealer. I'm just going to put it right there to just set the face. Alright, for my all over face powder, I'm going to be using the Jordana press powder. Right? With the same, I want to use the same damp beauty blender to just put in this. I learned this from Savannah. I love her so much, Savannah Silver. Yes, just the damp sponge. You just put it in there. Tell her, man, no worry. I'm going to put it right underneath my eyes to tone down that, and I'm going to use it to set the rest of my face. My contour, I'm going to be using the LA Girl, that is Cocoa. To do my contour, to set the contour. For my lips, I'm going to be using, I don't know if you know this brand, it's Nabi. I don't know if you can see the name of it, but this is the brand that I'm going to be using, but it's just a different shade. This kind of look like one nude color, like, I don't know if you see it, but that's the brand, but the name of it come off. This is the nude color that they have. Oh, it didn't look bad though. It made my lip look well big. Hold on. Even though I know says the trend. So I'm just gonna line my lips with the same brown pencil that I use on my eyebrows. Oh, look. Can go on some highlight. The I Love You contour palette I'm using from LA Girl. Just put a little bit here. Hold on, we're gonna put some on the bridge of the nose. Oh, look. What? Alright, one more, just one more, a little bit more. I'm gonna use the tip of the pencil, the pencil there. I'm gonna use the tip of it, and then I'm going to put some right in here. Put some right in here, so in my inner corner. You look bad. You look bad at all. Alright, I'm gonna take off some of the highlight because yeah, the same foundation brush moves, girl. Don't worry. Don't worry. Alright, just tone you down. Even about the foundation, yes, the powder brush. And tone her down because I don't want you to be too overbearing for the people in face. Okay. Yes. And all of my products, all of them affordable. These are affordable products. Come on, you can get a bead face with this. You can get a bead face with using affordable products. Ain't nothing wrong with it. And bam, yeah, listen, whatever, anytime I put a little bit of jewelry, and I know say certain thing set up, you look cute, you look nice, I try to look cute and pretty. What? Ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my little video on on this one eyeshadow look. Just one. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Share the video with your family and your friends. Definitely, most definitely subscribe to my channel if you want more content like this. And of course, remember to turn on your post notification so you can be notified every single time I drop a post. Yes, baby. And I will see you guys in the next one. All right. Mwah.